I just made this new blog post. This is Julie Wolf, and I thought I'd read it to you because some people don't like to read. Who wants to learn 3 ways to use Message Magic for targeted Skype lists? This is a question that someone in my Skype room asked, that I asked of the members in my members-only Skype room. Besides building a huge Skype user database, here's the question if you want to read along, do you know what are the other very effective ways to build targeted Skype lists using Message Magic? And one member said, well, that's why I'm here, is to learn those kinds of things about Skype and Message Magic from you, from my training. So I'm thinking maybe I should do a webinar on this, focusing on just these 3 things. And if you're interested, please do Skype me. Guess what? My Skype buttons are right here on my blog. Let me just read this to you. Most people get stuck on the very first skills when they learn Message Magic and never check out the advanced training I offer. Day 1 and 2 of the 10-day challenge show you how to set up your Skype account and in all Skype versions, 3.8 and current Skype, that you need for best results. And yes, I do recommend you keep using current Skype, and yes, you can use Message Magic with both current Skype and 3.8. You just have to know what you're doing. Okay, and you should get a separate Skype account for prospecting. So where to learn how my Message Magic 10-day challenge, where to learn how in my Message Magic 10-day challenge. On day 2, you learn how to search for Skype users and build a huge Skype profile. And I do highly recommend you keep doing that daily for a month at least. I have people who are still doing that, months later, and they have actually over 7, 8, I don't know, by now they may be 9 million Skype users. Very inspiring. So more if you want more people on Skype to keyword search Skype profiles to find the best people to talk to. Grow your Skype superpowers with Message Magic. And I'm going to run out of time on this little 5-minute video. So if you are inspired at this point, please do read the whole thing. I'm going to get right to the point. Here's my list of 3 ways to get results with Skype and Message Magic. Number 1, build a database of Skype profiles. You do a Skype search, or pattern search I call it. You have to use Skype version 3.8 to build a huge profile database. To basically get profiles, you need 3.8. And that is found on day 2, 7, and 8 of the Message Magic 10-day challenge. Number 2, save Skype chat history. If you do that on a regular basis, like weekly, you'll be able to do keyword research and build a targeted list that way. I don't go into that detail here. That's found on these days of the 10-day challenge. And then Skype group chat rooms. There's a whole lot we can do with Skype group chat rooms with Message Magic. I cover some of that on days 7, 8, and 9 of the 10-day challenge. So please don't get stuck on day 2 or 3 or 4. Please go all the way through all 10 days. That's my main point. There are a few very powerful things I want you to at least do besides broadcasting messages to multiple people in categories or Skype lists. That's the first power of Message Magic. And besides building this profile database of thousands of millions of Skype users, you can actually build targeted lists if you regularly save chat history and join Skype rooms and know what to do with Skype rooms. So having said that, please join us in the Skype room, and I will see you on Skype and read the rest of this post. Bye for now. Julie out. I suppose you could pause the video and read the rest of this here. It's also on my blog post there at incomeassurance.com/blog. See you soon. Bye.